Jimmy's got a fair bit of tension in this area here, in the back of his shoulders. So what I want him to do is first to vital breathe, just hold weight of your arms, yep, and send a wave of relaxation from just behind the shoulder socket out to your hands for me. And I'm just going to assist him in sending that wave of relaxation out. Just do that 3 times. Good, okay. So now I just give it a little bit of a wobble test. Good. Now the tension is further back. So we go to the scapula. He generates from the center of the scapula wave of relaxation and then sends it out to my hand. And I want him to send that relaxation from that root point through to me and into my body. So it's leaving his body. If he holds the relaxation within him, his mental space stays small and he won't release as much. Okay, so from the scapula, wave, nice, good. And I'm floating myself so you can get a gauge of the relaxation waving through me. I'm just keeping my base very high. Good. All right. And then I do a small test. Excellent. Now it's even looser. Now we go a little bit further back. We go into this part of the midpoint of the scapula and going down the spine. So from there, send a wave of relaxation out. Good. And again. Yep. Good. And again. Good. Excellent. Give another test. And then we continue this process going down the body into the hips and all the way to the ground. And each time he does it, the root of movement goes deeper, so he have less need to engage his shoulders when he's moving and issuing. Okay, have a practice.